So good afternoon, everyone. I am Era.Marabe from BS Ed Science, and today I am going to refresh on your minds and recap those topics that you have been reported. First, we have Introduction to Information and Communications Technology. ICT. ICT defined as Information and Communication Technology. It is a sources used to transit, store, create, share, or exchange information. So before that, we should understand what are the definitions of information, communication, and technology. First, we have information. Information is a data, content of knowledge that is transmitted, stored, created, shared, or exchanged using various technological tools and resources. Communication. So when we say communication, it is an exchange of information, ideas, and message using various technological tools and resources. And lastly, technology. Technology is a diverse set of tools and resources used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange information. So as we can see, information, communication, and technology has a very similar, or it is connected to each other. And we have also examples here in ICT that we can use in our daily lives, like personal computers, smartphone, Google Drive, and radio. ICT is also helpful when it comes to business and education. Next, we have history of computers. So here we will have a recap of what are the 5 generations of computers and some examples. Computers. So computers is a electronic machine that accepts information data, processing it according to specific instructions, and provides the result as a new information. So originally, in the past, computer is a job role. Usually, women are the computers in the past, are the first computers. They are the one who compute on the paper using slide rules. So here we have the first generation of the computer. So in period 1940 to 1956, ang computer sa una is vacuum tube. As you can see in the pictures, that is the illustration of a vacuum tube. The memory capacity of it is 20 KB. Ang processing speed niya is 300 IPS per second. Ang programming language niya is assembly language. For example, ani na mga vacuum tube computers are VAC or Universal Automatic Computer. And also EDVAC, which is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Now let's proceed to the second generation of the computer. Period 1956 to 1963. As we can see in the picture, that is called transistor. It has a memory capacity of 128 KB, processing speed of 301 IPS, and a programming language of high-level language. Examples of these computers are IBM 1401 and CDC 3600. In the third generation of the computer, period 1964 to 1971, is called integrated chips or IC. It has a memory capacity of 1 MB, processing speed of 1 MIPS, programming language of C++, and the examples of these computers are IBM 360 series and 1900 series. For the fourth generation of the computer, period 1971 present, is microprocessor or VLSI. It has a memory capacity of semiconductor, high processing speed, faster than 3 generation, and and programming language of C, C++, and of course Java. Examples of this computer is Spontaneum series, multimedia, and stimulation. And lastly, we have the fifth generation of computer, period, present, and beyond. So as we can see, these are the computers that we are currently using in our generation now. It has a current tree of ultra large scale integration, memory capacity of ULSI and VLSI, processing speed is very fast, programming language are all languages, and the examples of these computers are artificial intelligence and robotics. So as we observe throughout the years, computers have developed very fine technologies that can help us and guide us through our daily lives. So here are the other types of computers, which is supercomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, personal computers, and microcomputers. Next topic that we will be having is IT versus ICT. In this topic, we will be able to differentiate what are the difference of IT and ICT. So IT, which define as information technology, is a use of computers to store, retrieve, share, and manipulate data or information. It is usually managing the technologies related to information and its various technical aspects, including software, hardware, and networking. It is primarily focused on communication technology, such as computers, networks, computer software, and other electronic or digital devices that manage and communicate information. Next, we have ICT, or Information and Communication Technology. So when we say ICT, it is a use of technology for better and more efficient communication, generally used to present a more comprehensive list of all components related to computer and digital technologies. It refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications and how digital technologies assist users in handling information. Basically, ICT is just an extension term for IT. Now let's proceed to the evolution of technology. Evolution of technology has a key technological milestone that starts in early 1800s. The Industrial Revolution begins. The Industrial Revolution marked the advent of machines and technology that enable mass production. In 1976, Alexander Graham Bell invented what we call telephones that we are using now to communicate each other. And in 1901, it is the first transatlantic radio transmission. It is a wireless transmission of signal across the Atlantic by Guglielmo Marconi. And in 1939, the first computer is built. In 1969, the first message is sent over the internet, and it is called the birth of internet. And in 1995, the first smartphone is released. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated digital transformation, which we have CRISPR gene editing technology advances and commercial space Java becomes a reality. In 1921, a quantum supremacy achieved, and in 1922, the metaverse gained popularity and also biodegradable electronics emerged. We also have AI, or artificial intelligence, and machine learning that revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. We also have 5G technology that is more faster and reliable connection. Next, we have quantum computing, which is solve complex problems in drug discovery, climate modeling, and beyond, far surpassing the capabilities of traditional computers. Augmented and virtual reality. These technologies will transform interactions with digital content. Lastly, we have the components of a computer. So, a components of computer is we have software and hardware. So first, we will be discussing about the software. Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Refer to applications, scripts, and programs that run on a device. It have a operating system, applications, and drivers. Software also have supporting components, which is cooling system and expansion cards. So cooling system is essential for preventing overheating, which can reduce the efficiency and lifespan of components. And expansion cards is essential for preventing overheating, which can reduce the efficiency and lifespan of components. Now, let's proceed to the hardware. Hardware describes the physical aspect of a computer, referred to as a machinery or the equipment of the computer. So last time, the reporters had an activity which we enjoy and introduced us to the components of hardware. So now, let me bring back to you those topics. First, we have computer case or cases. That is, computer case is protecting the houses of the computer's internal components. Next, we have motherboard, the main circuit board that houses the CPU, memory, and other hardware components. CPU or Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer that performs instructions defined by the software. Next, we have RAM or Random Access Memory that has short-term memory that store data for currently running programs. We have also GPU, which is graphics card or graphic processing unit that handles rendering of image, videos, and animations. So storage devices such as hard disk drive or HDD and solid state drives or SSD. This has permanently stored software, documents, and other files. We also have HDDs used in mechanical patterns and a moving read-write head to access data, while SSDs use non-volatile flash memories. So power supply unit or PSU converts electrical power from one outlet into the usage power to the other component. And that is all for the recap. I hope you enjoy it and thank you.